It's an uphill struggle down those stairs. But it's easy to think that life is set against you. It's raining again. It will be good for the garden if we planted anything. I don't get out much anymore. She said you should get out and see the world while you still can. I've seen enough. I think I choose to be here. I've seen enough of life, and life's seen enough of me. I was young once, but I think I've been old for most of my life. And I cannot say it crept on me. Just look at this place. The paint is chipping off the walls, and the ceiling too. I'll fix it at some point. And look at all this dust. That's another thing that has to go. We've been living here far too long. My wife and I always wanted to go somewhere sunnier. She never did like it here very much. Much more active than me, she was. Couldn't sit still in the same place for too long. She thought time would stop. She was hurry up and go. I was more stop and think. Sometimes waiting's all you can do. Stop raining. It was supposed to clear up. Maybe we'll see a rainbow. Or maybe more rain. Maybe sunshine, maybe wind. Whatever it is, there'll be something. Unless there's nothing. But I've never heard of there being nothing. Now, I once knew a chap called Dennis Carroll, and Dennis used to say, "I won't take no for an answer," he said, because there's nothing that doesn't happen. And we used to say, Dennis, this is me and Martin, Martin and I. Now we used to say, Dennis, if there's nothing that doesn't happen, then show us the flying pigs, because if nothing doesn't happen, then everything does happen. then there is flying pigs. But he was a clever bastard, was Dennis, and he knew there's no such pig as can fly. Now, I can't quite remember what he said. Something about the mind. No. No, I lost it. I've lost it. It's raining again. I have a son. He was born upstairs in the bath. It was fairly normal back then, but when I first saw him, he was down the Who's that? Who's there? There shouldn't be anyone here. Nobody is supposed to be here. Who would want... This house is empty. It has been for years. But who would want anything here? Who would want anything with me? It's far too late. What is left for me to do?